Guess who took a nap? I like laid down for a little bit and I was like, let me take a 1 hour nap. It'll be fine. And I set my alarm and I snoozed the alarm for 2 additional hours. I'm gonna do my hair, I'm gonna get ready and do my makeup, and then I have to go meal prep and finish laundry, and I think tidy up a little bit, and I think that's gonna be it for today. I have to leave my house a little bit early today to stop by at the bank before work, so I wanted to get a lot more done, but it's okay.
She's very supportive, and she was the one that brought this up because he thought if you want to check it out, but if you read one of these, it's go over the symptoms on your time. It's really shitty. It's a worse lying in hot water, running in hot water, all of that. Like, it's hard now. Maybe there's like pain, I'm in pain. This lying here because of me walking this. Why is my stomach unsafe? Sugar and that. So
I'm watching Lauren Geraldo's Vlogmas. She's going through her wardrobe and it reminds me I have to go through mine. She mentioned something about one of the t-shirts not making her feel elevated. I feel like I really need to go through my entire wardrobe and take some stuff out. I don't know if you guys have seen the get-ups that I've been in the last few vlogs. They are just like my comfy clothes, the sweaters my mom gave me, and they're just like so warm. This is the thing though. I would love to get cute every day, okay? But when I have the option to wear between jeans and little leggings, which one do you think I'm gonna go for? Especially now during the winter that it's really cold outside, especially after a shower. After a shower, I don't want to get into jeans. It feels illegal. In the last few months, I have bought new pieces that are part of the capsule wardrobe I'm building, but I really need to go in there and just declutter and take out the pieces that are for sure not being worn, are not part of a capsule wardrobe, just also don't make me feel confident. That is also key. I want my clothes to feel good on my body and I want to feel good and confident in them. So that's gonna be a project for some time soon. I'm starting to realize that I'm really gonna have to focus for every single vlog like what the theme is going to be, because like today I filmed a little bit of me meal prepping, but like I can't do that, like show you guys that every single time. I'm trying to think of like something that I do daily, like wash dishes. Like I'm probably gonna include a montage, you probably saw it, of me washing dishes, but I wash dishes every day. But you're not gonna see that every day because then that would be boring. I have an hour before I have to head to work, so I shouldn't have taken that nap. I'm gonna repack my lunch bag because there's a bunch of like random stuff in here. And I have cuties in here that have been a minute. These are probably no good. I hate wasting food, by the way, so that's not on purpose. Like, I've been carrying around these, I'm not sure why they're not even in a bag, but oh, I just remembered. They got like gunk all over them. I've been carrying these around in my bag forever. Are they even still good? I have my unopened gum. I have a chip clip. This turned into what's in my lunch bag. I have some Tic Tacs. I have a blow pop. Some random candies like Skittles. I'm not even a big fan of Skittles. I have some really old runts that I need to throw away. That's gross. I have a little, I forgot what these call them, like specks. They are like magnetic little balls that you can like play around with. I have some Tylenol, which only has one left, and you fill it up. I have a pen. I have a random fork. I have a salt. I have a salt and pepper, which all this stuff feels really gross, so I'm gonna have to throw away half of this stuff. I have some Parmesan packets from Disneyland, from Pizza Planet. I have a liquid IV, a Theo sauce packet. I really need to clean this bag because it is nasty. It feels so gross. I have a Nerds, chopsticks. I don't know where I got those from. Another Tapatio packet, a Sriracha packet. Oh my god. Okay, let's clean this up. I love when my hair gets wavy like this, but the only problem is it does get frizzy at the top. I can't tell if I'm ripping my hair or if there's just a lot of new growth. So I'm gonna add some of this Miel Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. I think it's good for split end care as well, but I could have sworn this said for free frizz, but I'm gonna try to quiet them down anyway. I want to show you guys something really funny because I love their hair products, and this is what the shampoo looks like, right? Tell me why I accidentally grabbed the wrong one the other day and I put it in the shower. Where is it? Honestly, I think I was so traumatized I hid it. This is a leave-in conditioner, and I had this in the shower 2 times in the shower. I used it and I was wondering, like, why isn't it lathering? It felt like the product was just not leaving my hair. And after the second time, I was like, okay, what is going on? So I looked at the bottle and I realized that that was a leave-in conditioner. And this is the shampoo. I just got home from work, so I'm gonna do my self-care and I'm gonna call it a night. I am extremely tired. So tomorrow's a brand new day. See you tomorrow.